If you've social danced for any amount of time, you might have heard something called the $1 million move, because some of us have spent the equivalent of a college education learning it. That move is called pivots, and we're going to teach it to you today for West Coast Swing. Welcome to West Coast Swing Online. This is
Miss Megan.
And I'm Brian B. Now there's three things you're going to need for the pivots. We're going to show them to you and show you the three things you're going to need. Number one, we're going to need to know how to get into them. We're going to need to know how to pivot, and then finally how to get out effectively. So let's talk about how the easiest way to get in. Basic whip. We're going to dance 1, 2, 3, and 4 of a basic whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the position. I'm going to put Megan's hand behind my back. This is how we're going to enter the pivot. That's step number one. We're going to talk in detail about that because we have to actually know how to pivot first. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as she steps forward, this is the beginning of step number 2, which is the actual pivoting action before we worry about how to effectively get your partner back out. But let's talk about the pivoting action on 4. We're going to get Megan to 4. We're going to freeze. 1, 2, 3, and freeze. So from here, we're both going to do this together. There's two parts of the pivot. The forward part, that's the person creating the energy, where I'm going to get over the right foot. I'm going to pivot a half turn, and I'm going to step back. Now the harder part is going back, because as I'm stepping back, I have to pivot on this foot to set it up again. So if we go back in the middle here, I want you to practice just this. Rock forward, rock back. You can practice this into quarter turns. Megan has to just read my mind. So the quarter turn drill is the first one that's helpful because I have to pivot on that foot. Then we're going to do half turns. Pivot a half turn, pivot a half turn, step and pivot a half turn, step and pivot a half turn. If we go back, Ms. Megan, we'll go forward. We're going to step forward and pivot a half turn. I'm going to step back and pivot a half turn. I'm going to step forward and pivot a half turn. You'll see even slowly on the video, balance is going to be an issue. So you have to know the pivot by yourself. Practice that drill first. West Coast Swing is super fun, but let's face it, it gets complicated fast. That's why we created our free West Coast Swing ebook to give you access to all the answers in one place. You can grab it in the description below or the QR code right here. Now let's talk about the rules of the pivot before we get to number 3, how we end it. The rules are the person going forward creates the energy. So right here, Megan is creating the energy. Now, since she's following, I have to set her up and tell her, please pivot. And I'm doing two things. Number one, putting this hand on me to say, hey, we're in a pivot position. Number two, I'm adding a little bit of power with the right hand, not enough to create the energy for her, but enough to tell her that she's going. And then we pivot through before we end anchor step. Let's go back this way because I like it from this side. So the person going forward has the energy. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So Megan's providing the energy. I'm stopping you. Then I'm providing the energy. Now she is. Now I am, but I'm stopping her, and we're going to get to how we land that in just a second. Here's the things that are going to go wrong, because I've spent a ton of money learning this. In fact, at the end of our professional career, working with our coach, I found out that I'm actually not good at pivots, that Megan is, and she just does it for me. Here's what she does well. She drives this energy on this first pivot all by herself. Look at that. I'm not even touching her. All by herself. So your ability to pivot is key. Here's how you're going to screw it up. I'm not that bad. I don't screw this up, but this is what you're likely to mess up. 1, 2, 3, and go. You're going to pull with that hand. You cannot. You have to allow your partner to pivot. You have to just give her enough energy to say, here it comes, but your partner has to provide the energy. The likelihood that you're going to pull with this hand is super high. Do you have anything to add on that, Miss Megan?
Just stay connected. Followers, don't shorten the space on your own either. You want to stay back in this. You want to look like an ice cream cone.
Yep, so if you look at us from here, we are definitely on our own sides as we pivot. So you can even practice this drill right here, pivoting little by little by little by little by little by little before we get to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's actually a pretty good attack.
Yeah.
All right, so final thing is how we get out of it. This is my preferred way. I'm going to dance 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. No pivot for me. I'm going to use this hand to land her foot on 8 to make sure she comes down, and then I can anchor step and close. I can go 8 anchor step and open up. If we look at the whole thing, we're gonna do it from reverse whip. It's the same thing. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, anchor step. Congratulations, if you survived that, you are gonna wanna see our advanced moves list. We put together a random list of advanced moves that you should try. You can get that right here. If you want an unlimited supply of moves, you should head on over to westcoastswingonline.com right here. It's the coolest thing since sliced bread. Click this link right next to Megan's head and see what's on the other side.